Hello everyone, I hope you enjoy this relaxing video of how to draw a seahorse. This video shows the drawing on a grid. It is to help direct you where your lines need to be drawn in relation to each other. It is also a great way to see how long or short a line needs to be drawn. I try to create the instructions as conveniently as possible, which is why I do not have a hand blocking the lines, so you can see how the lines are drawn and which direction they are going. For lines that are not so obvious as to where they are starting from, you may have noticed I have created purple arrows pointing to the starting locations. Did you know that seahorses are actually tiny fish? And with all their beautiful colors, they look like something out of a fairy tale. By following these steps, your drawing will look just like this one. If you have the opportunity to use paper with equal squares on it, that would be all the better to follow along. If not, just look to make sure your lines are shaped and positioned similarly to my drawing. Take your time and be sure to slow or pause the video as needed. Keep in mind you can always go back and look at a section of the video again, or look at the entire video if needed. I am sure you are doing a great job and your drawing skills are improving with each drawing video you try to create. Once you have practiced this drawing, you can challenge your friends to a drawing contest, then show them the method you learned to draw from. You can tell them about my channel, which will have grid lines on the pictures to help with the drawings. You're almost finished and it is looking fantastic. Keep in mind, when coloring the seahorse, there is no limit to what you can imagine the colors should be. Bright or dull, it does not matter. Use whatever you have available to color it with. Be sure to watch to the end to see the coloring special effects I created on my seahorse. Wow! You did a great job. Be sure to look at and try some of the other cartoon drawings I offer. They are at different skill levels, so challenge yourself to what you want to accomplish. And keep trying. Never give up. See you again, my friends, and remember to always make drawing a fun experience.